Goodbye Kyoto with a little bit of snow on it. As an Australian, I've got zero clue what it's going to be like in -10 to -16. The guy in front of us is in big trouble with the train law. He's telling him off, like he's disappointed in him. Decided we're going to go to Family Mart over the road from the station in case the food in the new area is inedible slop to an Australian. So it turns out this train only comes at 3 o'clock and it's 1:50 now. So we had to buy about $16 worth of tickets to go on it. It does seem decent value. Maybe not for like Tokyo, but for a train that goes so far. And I always have a blowout. Sandra said she had a look over here and there's ice cream in the vending machine. And she's right. She told me she wanted the Fuji matcha one. And she told me, yes, there's Hokkaido milk. And you push the button. My 2 ice creams, and now is that it? Oh, these are hundreds. I thought they were smaller coins. I thought the machine ripped me off.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's actually really good. If anyone comes to Nagano Station electric rail line to Yudanaka, I recommend the Hokkaido milk. What's your review?
I really like mine. It's really good. Yeah, it's
Cool.
a Uji matcha.
I got my hands dirty from that ice cream, so I went to wash them in the bathroom. And now my hands are cold and wet in like the -1 station. We did it. We're on the final leg of the journey. We actually can't believe it. There is more snow than we've ever seen in our life. Feels like -10. What's the real temperature? -4.
Yeah.
It's going to be the coldest we've ever been in our lives. I've got my full spacesuit on, everything except my scarf. This is almost as warm as it gets. I think we have to get in that way. I don't think there's a door there. Ooh. It's so cold on my face already.
Get that snow.
It's so thick. Oh my god. It's my first time ever in snow like this. My head's starting to get sore here. Checking into the Shimaya. This is what you get in Yudanaka for, I can't remember how much, but I'll put it on the screen. Oh look, the bed's already made and everything. Pretty good. Heater's on, ready for us. Got an artwork on the wall. Tea Masters set the tea set. We've got a 1960s telephone. Oh, nice. Ooh, that nearly came out of the track. We've got a great view out the balcony. That's awesome. You can see the mountains. Whoa, I didn't expect that chair to swivel. We've got a male and a female toilet. Dunny shoes. And what's over here? We've got a little private area. And what the hell? Oh my god. I've broken the onsen. No, I haven't. I've never seen a bath like this in my life. Have a look at this. This is the size of it. And it's deep. It's like taller than my knee. So you have to curl it like a ball in it. All in all, I reckon not bad. This is awesome. How weird is that?
Do you want to do one?
Yeah. squishy.
Yeah.
You don't even feel it. So it's only -4 at the moment, but it feels like -9, the weather app says. Whoa, it is so soft. I've only seen like ice snow in my whole life. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. There's no resistance. It just goes straight through.
You scared me.
I just can't believe the sheer amount of snow. You know, when I booked this place, I booked a spot that Google told me would definitely have like the highest chance of snow, that was also cool and had stuff to do there. On the train here we saw about 50 places that I could have stayed, probably for cheaper, that was snowing, but yeah, I think I might have overdone it. Snowy bamboo. That looks so cool. Sandra's just busted off an icicle.
From just there.
I want one. I'm gonna try and get this big one.
Look at how big your footprint is.
This little guy's speeding up the road. This is so cool. This is one of the highlights of the trip, definitely for me. What an area, what a view. Especially for having never seen proper snow before. Well, it's a bit later on now, and it's meant to be feeling like -11. So I've taken myself on night walk. And it definitely feels a lot colder, and it's snowing. And it doesn't matter how many pairs of pants you put on, it just feels cold straight through your pants. And I don't think my feet are gonna warm up. It's 7:25 now, and I wanna be back by 7:50 because we've got the Onsen booked for 8 o'clock. Snow Monkey Lodge. Oh my god, I got snow in my eyes. Ow! It's so cold. And my voice obviously sounds muffled because I'm speaking through my jacket. Oh, I'm getting a nighttime Red Bull. The Japanese are an insane people, but they have some bloody good ideas to go with it. I might as well be on an alien planet coming from Sydney. Ow, it's really awkward walking into the snow. I can see why they wear goggles and stuff. I've been skiing, but I've never actually seen it snow. And my skiing was in Australia, so it was on ice like this rather than snow like that. Been walking down the main street, and only that one car came past earlier. Oh my god, have a look at this. Is this stairs or a slippery dip? I reckon I'd absolutely eat it if I tried to go down there. Look, everyone's given up on the stairs and they've just gone down the side. I better stop yelling outside this guy's house or he'll call the police. It's a very picturesque main street, if I could see it, but I just copped a massive piece of snow to the eye. Oh, look at these cars. They're so small. That looks so cool. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Looking across into that guy's headlights, you can just see all the snow slowly drifting down to the ground. You gotta know that I was filming it and drove off. My hand, this one that I've been using to hold the camera this whole time, is dangerously cold right now. It feels like I've got it stuck in an esky. Something smells good, but I've already eaten my 7-Eleven teriyaki chicken sandwich. Please don't run me over. Oh my god, I nearly slipped under his wheels. And they've got like a Christmas lights display here. And look at these flower pots. That's insane. Well, I wish I could be out here for longer, but I've got the onsen coming up. But the verdict is, while -5 and feels like -11 is definitely very cold, if you put on absolutely everything you own, like what I've got on, your spacesuit, and you keep walking, and you just forget about your hands and are happy with losing them, then it's manageable. And remember, before you get in the onsen, always wash off with body wash and shampoo.